It's Emily from WTA, and I'm here at my work to talk about these Brother 2211 continuous tape labels. We print patient files on them, and we need them to hold up well, not bleed, be waterproof, withstand moisture exposure, and these labels fit the bill. I've used other ones that just did not hold up and do as well, but these labels are amazing. They're easy to load into the machine. They last a really, really long time. And like I said, they're easy to peel off. They also hold up to moisture. They're completely waterproof. They stick to the vials really, really well. I can imagine all sorts of functions and use for these in work life or at home for crafting or organizing. But if you have this label maker, I highly recommend getting the genuine Brother labels and using these. The continuous length is really convenient because in the editing software, you can adjust the size of the length of the label you're printing. So it's really flexible. It's very intuitive to cut the right size. And so you can make longer or shorter labels, or you can just have a set template so it always cuts it at the same place. But the cut is always very good. It's not frayed. It's not hard to disconnect. They just come right out of the machine. And it's just so user-friendly. So if you are in a place where you need a good label tape for your Brother label, these are the ones. And that's my point of view.